Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can add your logo to your Canva design. So first, open your design in Canva, and if you're already working on a project or you just added a photo and you're ready to add a logo, whether it's yours or for a client, you can go ahead and use a logo to show that the design was created by you and your brand. You can customize the logo's appearance to be subtle or prominent. So on the left side, find the uploads icon and select it. Click on upload files to find your logo. Then after, drag the logo to position it and use the corner points to resize it. You can place it in the corner, the middle, or anywhere you like. Alternatively, you can upload a logo with a transparent background, no white background, and you'll see the difference when it's added. Resize it and position it as needed. You can also remove the white background from a non-transparent logo using the BG removal tool, but this is a Canva Pro feature. And to make the logo more subtle, select it and go to transparency and decrease the transparency level. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.